We'll guide you through how to make a Roblox game public. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've been working on a game in Roblox Studio and now you want to go make it public so others can go and join and go and play it. So I've just gone and created a new place here just to go and guide you through how this can be done. So to get started, you go to the top left of Roblox Studio and press File, go down and you want to go and press Save to Roblox As. Then we can press create new experience in the bottom left and we can go and give this a name. So I'm going to name this GuideRealm game like so. And you can add a description. And then what you can do is you can go and choose the devices here. And then what you need to do is go and click just to the right of cancel here. The button isn't showing, but if you just go and click where my cursor is, it should shortly go and create it. Just go and be patient. It'll go and reload. As you can see, it says setting up server. As I said, the button should appear for you. Otherwise, just go and click in that area. And we've now gone and saved it. Now, what you want to do is when you go and make a change, just make sure you go and press file in the top left and you can go and press publish to Roblox like so. Now, what you need to do is you need to come to the Roblox website. So come to a web browser, type in roblox.com and sign into the account. You probably already are. At the top, go and press create. Now, the first time you go here, you may get taken to a landing page. Just make sure you go and come to create.roblox.com. Press creations to the left and into my experiences, and you're then going to find it. So here we are. You can see it's currently private. Let's go and click on it like so. Now you want to come into configure and find settings. Press on it to expand it if needed. In settings, you want to go and scroll down and we need to go and select public. Now it says it's not eligible. So let's press learn more to the right. Now, what we need to do here is go and meet one of the prerequisites. So we'll press manage to the right. So what we need to do is do an ID verification, or we need to do a purchase verification. So I'm going to press verify ID to the right, scroll down here, and you want to press continue with ID. Now, shortly this is going to go and open up. Just go and be patient. So it says, let's use the camera to verify your birthday. You'll need a government ID. So let me go and press continue here. Choose your country. Mine's already selected correctly. And choose what we're going to use. So I'm going to use my driving license. We're going to need to take a clear photo. So if you've got a webcam, we can use it. Otherwise, press continue on another device and your QR code is generated. Open your phone camera app, iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. Hover over it and you should then get a pop-up and you can go and scan the QR code. It's now been successful, so we can go and press close here. Now we can return and we can go and refresh the page, and it now says it meets the requirements to publish and update public experiences. So what you can then do is you can come back to eligibility and back to settings. We'll just go and press back and wait, and then we can scroll down and select public. Then press learn more again. And now we need to come and press manage to add a maturity label. And you now need to read this through. So essentially there's a questionnaire and you need to go and understand that you need to go and complete this to go and give the game and experience a age rating and a content maturity label essentially. This is really important. So come down here, read this all through, I have, and press start. Now there's going to be these different sections here. Read this through and then confirm if it goes and contains it or not. So in this case, there's no violence or violent content, press no. And you get the idea. So go through this and repeat it. Make sure you do this very carefully. It's really important. So I'm going to go and complete this now. When you've completed it, press continue at the bottom. And then you can scroll down and make sure you're sure. And you can then go and press submit and go and wait. So mine was a minimal age rating there. Now what you can do is return the settings to the left and you can go and scroll down. And now you can go and set it to public, as you can see. So with that selected, you can then scroll down and press save changes. So it's now public. Just to go and show you that, we can come back to Roblox and you can go and press your account in the top right to get your profile, come down to creations, and you can then come across here and we can find GuideRealm game. That's what we just did. We can click on it. And as you can see, the play button's now there. We can click on it and Roblox will load and we can go and join it. It's that simple.